Hey everyone, welcome to today's video on how to find your Bank of the West account number in 2025. If you're setting up direct deposits, making online payments, or just need to reference your details, knowing where to look can save you a ton of hassle. Let's dive right in and make this super straightforward. First off, the most common place to find your account number is on your checks. If you have a checkbook from Bank of the West, flip to a check and look at the bottom. You'll see a series of numbers. The first set is the routing number, and right after that is your account number. It's that simple. If you don't have checks handy, don't worry, head to online banking. Visit the Bank of the West website, log in with your credentials, and once you're in your dashboard, check the account summary section. Your account number should be clearly listed there, often under Account Details. For 2025, the bank has made updates to their interface, so it might be even easier to spot with new search features. Now, if you're always on the go, use the Bank of the West mobile app. Download or open the app, log in, and navigate to your account profile or settings. Tap on the specific account, and your number will pop up, super convenient for quick access. If none of these methods work or you're facing any issues, reach out to Bank of the West customer service. They can verify your information over the phone or through chat, and they're usually very helpful. Just have your ID ready for security purposes. One quick tip. Always keep your account details secure and never share them via email or unverified sources. In 2025, with enhanced digital security, double-check for two-factor authentication when accessing your accounts. There you have it. Simple steps to find your account number and stay on top of your banking. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more practical tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.